Right now, 7:15, we're getting closer and closer towards sunrise. We're starting to notice those vibrant colors right along the horizon here in the district. But every so often, you notice that this camera does shake a little bit. Yes, we're tracking now wind starting to pick up. And with that gusty wind through the day today, it will certainly make it feel a little bit colder than its actual air temperature. So here's a view of what we're tracking here in the Weather Center. Just a little bit of that patchy fog still lingering for parts of the region out there this morning. Some gusty winds. You'll certainly notice that through the day today. Some of those wind gusts could be in excess of 50 miles per hour. That's mainly any of those locations that are under that wind advisory. Breezy and dry Saturday, although the wind not quite as strong as the day today, that wind will still make it feel even a little bit cooler later on Saturday afternoon. More precipitation will be on the way as we get towards later on Sunday. Some of that precipitation could be in the form of a little bit of that wintry mix, but I'm thinking that will mainly back off towards our north and west, out towards the higher elevations, closer towards the district. I'm thinking still mainly rain showers. Visibility, though, out there right now still reduced down towards Lexington Park. 3 miles of visibility in Annapolis, but right now D.C. we're finally back up to 10 miles of visibility. We're A-OK. Farther back off towards the north and west, you see a little bit of that gray blip on this map back out towards westernmost parts of Maryland. Seeing a little bit of some snow showers breaking out there, and also a little bit of that fog, so we could see that visibility being reduced there. And speaking of some snow showers, we're seeing that coming up on satellite and radar back out towards Garrett County right now. The rest of the region is dry, and that's where we will remain through the rest of our Friday, and that will continue into your Saturday. Wind advisories out there, those have been issued for western Maryland, parts of West Virginia, as well as right along the Blue Ridge down towards parts of Virginia. Now, this is until 4 p.m. this afternoon. Could see gusts in those locations exceeding 50 miles per hour. We're already starting to notice that on the wind gust map, especially in Kaiser. So any areas shaded in red, this is where we could see the possibility of some of those gusts now at least 50 miles per hour. But elsewhere across the region, those gusts are starting to pick up. Now we're up to 25 miles per hour in D.C. Farther off towards the north and west, out towards I-81, those gusts right around 20, even closer to 30 miles per hour at times. Sustained winds, those are right about 40 miles per hour in Kaiser. Up towards Cumberland, right about 20 miles per hour, closer towards the district. Not quite as strong. We're seeing sustained winds between 5 even closer towards 15 miles per hour as we get closer towards the 95 corridor. Temperatures right now, those are starting off into the 40s for many locations. Later on this afternoon, really not seeing much variation in the temperatures, likely mid to upper 50s, or I should say mid to upper 40s to right about 50 degrees this afternoon. Not quite as warm as mid to upper 50s, but that would be nice. We did see that earlier this week. Not so much for the end of the week and for the weekend. The cooler air will be settling in along with the wind. So look at this. Later on this evening, for your Friday evening plans, temperatures will peel back into the 30s and will likely feel even colder than that when you factor in that wind. Cold start tomorrow morning, upper 20s to low 30s, or bounce back low to mid 40s for your Saturday afternoon. And again, that wind will make it feel colder. We have a high pressure move its way farther off towards our south and east. Start off dry on Sunday, then we'll see increasing clouds and even that increasing threat for some precipitation. That precipitation likely, though, holds off to at least later on Sunday, so something to keep in mind for later in the day with that precipitation moving in from our south and west. So overall, looks like any threat for any mix will be off towards our north and west. Here's a view of that 7-day outlook. 40s through much of that 7-day. Looking at Wednesday, though, we're going to keep a close eye on that with that next system moving in.